Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario 64 on your Steam Deck. First, you'll want to install Emu Deck, a fantastic tool that simplifies setting up emulators. Once Emu Deck is ready, you'll need a Super Mario 64 ROM file. Remember to acquire this legally, perhaps from a game you already own. Transfer this ROM into the designated folder within Emu Deck structure, usually found under the Nintendo 64 section. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. After placing your ROM, launch the Emu Deck parser. This tool automatically adds your game to your Steam library, making it easy to access. Next, navigate to the Nintendo 64 emulator within Emu Deck's interface. Here, you can fine-tune various settings. Pay special attention to the controller configuration to ensure all buttons respond as you expect. You might want to map the Steam Deck's back paddles for extra convenience, enhancing your classic gaming session. To truly elevate your Super Mario 64 experience, consider some graphical enhancements. Within the emulator settings, enable resolution scaling to render the game at a higher resolution, resulting in much sharper visuals. You can also explore community-made texture packs that give the game a fresh, modern appearance without altering its core charm. Finally, adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9 for a widescreen view, making the classic adventure feel more immersive on your Steam Deck's display. With everything configured, you're ready to launch Super Mario 64 directly from your Steam library. Enjoy revisiting this timeless classic on your portable Steam Deck. Remember to utilize the emulator's save state feature to save your progress at any point, not just at the in-game save blocks. This ensures you never lose your hard-earned stars. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.